Hey Fortnite players, want to turn off or lower that in-game music in Fortnite? Here's how to do it in under a minute. From the main lobby, press the menu button or options button. If you're on the PC, press the escape button. Scroll down and select settings. That's the gear icon right here. Now move to the audio tab. It's the one with the speaker icon, usually the second tab at the top. Look for the music slider under the volume section. Slide it all the way left to mute music completely, or just lower it to your preferred volume. This controls background music in the lobby, during gameplay, and even events. Once you're happy with the level, hit apply in the bottom right to save your changes. And that's it. You've silenced or softened the beat in Fortnite. Hit that follow for my quick Fortnite tips from me. See you in the battle bus.